Hey, this is Brandon, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install your downloaded title block templates, where to put them, and how to bring them into an existing drawing, and how to use them in a brand new drawing. So when you purchase the title blocks from titleblocks.com, you're going to download a .zip file. I save mine right here to downloaded templates. You can save it anywhere on your drive. I'm on a PC and Windows 7, but this will work the same for Mac or any version of Windows. So here's the zip file that I downloaded. Yours may be titled something different depending on which one you bought. This is just an example one. You're going to need either WinZip or WinRare, or I use 7-zip. The number 7 then zip. You're going to need some sort of a zip unzipper. You're going to right click and extract it, or open up your zip file program and extract the files. You can extract these anywhere. I'm just going to extract them into this folder. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to go 7-zip and say extract here. That should be pretty quick, and there they are. It has now added about 7 different template files. Those are the .dwts. These are what AutoCAD uses. It also unzipped another zip file, which includes some AutoCAD line types. You can unzip that as well, but that's another video. Alright, so I've saved these into my downloaded templates folder. So I'm going to copy that using Control-C. I'm not sure what it is on the Mac, but hopefully you know that. Or you can right click on PC and select paste or copy. Copy. You're going to use that in a second. You can also save all of these, so copy all of the .dwts into your template folder of AutoCAD. And I'm going to show you how to find that in a second. You're going to bring up, here's a blank new drawing in AutoCAD, and in the top here you're going to hit new drawing, and it's going to bring up the select template. This is the base drawing you're going to use. See, you can see I've got a few put into mine, the BAE and a few others. So to find out where this is, you can hit the drop down and follow these paths here to find out where your template folder is. The last one there says templates. So ENU templates. So it's users, home, app data, local, Autodesk, Autodesk 2012, R18.2, ENU, and then templates. So that's where you can save it, but since I copied the link before, I can just paste that in down here, open that folder, and here are all the templates I just downloaded. It doesn't matter where they are as long as you remember. And once you do it a couple times, usually it'll remember. If not, you can set the default in options, and I can show you that in a second. So let's say you want to use the metric one, and you want to use the bottom boxes. So bottom boxes metric. MET means metric. IMP is the imperial standard. We're going to open up the bottom boxes metric drawing template. So as you can see, this is a new drawing, but it's been preset with all 6 tabs, different layouts, and landscape and portrait in different sizes. They're all also set up. If you go into Page Setup Manager, Modify, you can see they're set up to print to PDF. The paper size is all set up. The layout, everything is set so that you can just hit plot and it'll work. There's also viewports set up inside, so you double click inside to move around your drawing viewport, double click outside to deactivate it. That'll show what's in your model space, which is over here. Now let's say you have an existing drawing, which I'm going to show you right there. It is. So I'm going to open up an existing drawing, and this doesn't have any of the templates set up. You can see this is just a basic drawing that I've created for my other CAD examples. So if I want to bring in my pre-made layouts that you just bought from titleblocks.com, or you're thinking about it, right click one of your layout tabs and go from template. You can see it right here. Or at the command line you can type in layout, and hit enter, And then along the bottom, you can see the options. Type in T for template and hit enter. Either of those. So I'm going to show you that again. You can right click on a tab, or that would be secondary click, I think, on a Mac. I'm not sure how that works. And go from template. And now, again, you can paste in your path to where you saved them all. Select one. So let's say we're going top boxes metric this time. Open, and it asks you which ones you'd like to insert. I've clearly labeled them for you. So if you only need 11 by 17 portrait, 8.5 by 11 portrait, and an 8.5 by 14 portrait, you can just select those. Or you can select them all. To do multiples, you hold the control key down and click another one, click another one, click another one, click another one. Pretty simple, right? So let's say I've got portrait, 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 portrait selected. Hit OK, and it's going to bring those into your drawing. You can see right here, it's all preset out. There we go. Viewport's already done. Title block's up here. Now you can set up your information for your title block, or just edit them by typing ED to edit and clicking the text. You can change the text now to whatever you want. There's some gibberish. Click outside, hit enter. There you go. The rest is pretty simple. It's a pretty basic AutoCAD template, but it saves you a lot of time and it's easy to use. To change these attributes here, simply double click and it brings up the attribute editor. And now you can go through and edit your revision. So you can say which revision it is or who's doing the revisions. You can use my initials, BL. You can call it me. You can change your scale to whatever you want. You make it 40. Or you can make this 12 November 2015. Whatever you want. And it changes dynamically. That's how you bring these into your drawing and how you use them. Hopefully this helps, and if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. And don't forget to check out my website, titleblocks.com, or betterateverything.info. Cheers.